In this video, we will learn how to find company information using MarketLine Advantage. We will begin on the Company and Industry Information Library Guide. You can also access MarketLine Advantage through the University Library's A to Z Databases page. From the Library Guide, click on the tab that says Public Companies. In the box labeled Company Profiles, you will find a brief introduction to MarketLine Advantage that includes text instructions on how to find company profiles. You may refer to these text instructions in addition to this video. Here we can click on the link for MarketLine Advantage to access the database. This link will bring you to the home page. There are many company and industry-related reports and analysis on MarketLine Advantage, but for now, we will focus on the company profiles. There are two ways that you can access company profiles. First, you can click on the Companies tab at the top of your screen. This will take you to a list of over 100,000 companies. You can narrow down this list by typing your company's name in the search box on the top left of your screen, then clicking on the search icon. Then select your company name from the resulting list. You can also access the same page from the MarketLine Advantage homepage by typing your company name into the search box in the middle of the screen, then selecting Company Profiles from the drop-down menu. After you click Search, select your company name from the resulting list. Each company profile in MarketLine Advantage contains detailed information on a variety of topics. From the company overview, you can find a summary, as well as key stats, such as their website, number of employees, revenue, and net income. On the Financials tab, you can find more detailed financials, including income over the past 5 years. The Profile tab includes information on products and services and a company statement. The Peers tab includes a list of competitors. For more detailed analysis, you can click on the Research Reports and SWOT Analysis tabs. If you would like additional help navigating MarketLine Advantage, please reach out to the university libraries via email, phone, or chat. You can also schedule a one-on-one individual research appointment with a university librarian.